Hi, this is Diego, and this is 60 Seconds with me.
Hi, Diego. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, and time starts now. Favorite place in Mexico?
Mexico City.
Okay, nice. Carl's Jr., Burger King, or McDonald's?
Burger King. Yeah.
Okay, good. Favorite band?
Band Metallica.
Okay, nice. Best movie or TV series of all times?
Um, I'd say Friends.
Okay, that's a good one. If the soap falls to the floor, is the floor clean or is the soap dirty?
This up is dirty.
Definitely. Favorite cartoon character?
Um, I'd say ooh, maybe Bender from Futurama.
Okay, good. Something you're great at cooking.
Not really. Maybe X.
Okay, and time's up. Thank you, Diego.
Thank you.
Are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame? Who's next?